Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up your Instagram chats. It's very easy and very simple, and if you listen to my instructions very well and follow them, you're gonna be able to do this in no time. So let's start by diving in and going right through the instructions. The first step is to request your data, and to do that you have to open your Instagram, like you see this, and then go to settings by clicking on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left, top right corner, and then you can search in the search bar for easier access and search for download, and click on download your information right here. And Instagram will email you a link to download your chat history. Just enter your email address and request a download of your data. You can schedule them or just click download here, and you can choose your accounts. If you have many using your Gmail, you can choose between all available information and some of your information if you want to be selective. Let's see all the information right here. And you can either download it to this device or transfer it to a destination. Select download to this device and click on create file. You can select the data range as well and the format, and just like this your information is being prepared for download. Now after you download them, you're gonna have to extract and save the data. And to do that, just unzip the downloaded file on your computer or phone and locate the messages folder to view your chat backups. For additional tips, regularly back up your data if chats are important, and keep your backup files secure to protect your privacy. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.